This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we are going to be jamming together on some melodies written in tablature notation, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And right now in the lesson series, we're working on playing in positions all along the fretboard. In this video, the songs that we're going to be playing are going to mainly be in 3rd position and 5th position. We'll even do some shifting between those positions, even some shifting down to 1st position. So it's going to be great. Builds on what we've been doing with the melodies in the last couple videos. It's going to be super fun. Of course, as we're playing these melodies, we'll be jamming right along with band accompaniment, as I have recorded bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment for us to play these melodies on top of, which makes it super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 110 through 112. So 110, 111, and 112, playing songs 150 through 153. And we'll go right in that order. Each one will happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. Just a couple little heads up. We've learned about positions in the previous videos, and I've demonstrated even with some of those songs that we played how to shift and keep an eye. But just as a reminder, you can glance over the first few measures of a song and see what the lowest fret is that's used. And then you're going to start off in that position. And then if the frets go outside of that position, then you'll have to shift to accommodate and get into the position you need to play those. And I'm not going to go through specifically how to do that with each of these songs. I have previously, so I've demonstrated it before. But with that, you can kind of just find your way. And I'll just make a couple pointers about each of these before we play them together. So with number 150, as you glance over the first few measures, you'll see the lowest fret that is used is the 5th fret. So we're going to be in 5th position, index in that 5th fret, middle in that 6th, ring in that 7th, and pinky in that 8th. So that's where we start off with that one, and we are pretty much in 5th position there as we play that. With number 151, as you glance over the first few measures of that one, you'll see that we start off in 3rd position. And then with this one, there is going to be some shifting, so you just kind of have to watch. And it's not too bad because you can actually move one measure at a time. But you'll start off in 3rd position with that one. It has a nice pattern to it. It's super fun. With number 152, we start off, as you look over the first measure, in 3rd position, but then in the 2nd measure we got to slide down to 1st position. So there's going to be a little shifting down to that 1st position there, and you'll find your way and make your way through that one. Just one little note about 153. As you look at that one, you'll see that we can start off in 5th position, but we've got this little arc drawing those two notes together from the 4th fret up to the 5th. And what we're going to do with that is just slide into it. So do a little slide. That's how that'll work. So you play there with your middle finger at the 6th fret on the 6th string, and then as you go into that figure that has the little arc over it, you put your index finger down at the 4th fret and then just slide up to the 5th fret without plucking the string again. So you do a little slide there. That's how that works. So that's how those will be. It's going to be super, super fun. Let's just go ahead and play these songs together. Awesome. In the next video, we're going to keep playing some more songs, working our way up the fretboard. So we're going to play in some higher positions with the next songs. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.